Today on COC, we're changing our lift pump on our 7.3 powerstroke.
Alright, so step one is going to be removing this Y pipe. So we need to take off this hose clamp, this one down here, and the V-band up top.
Okay, so the next step is to take the 1 1/4 banjo bolt off. So this is the tool combination we're using to take off our banjo bolt. This is a 3/8 ratchet and a 1/2 inch adapter. And I won't lie, it's a big pain in the butt. There's so you can see the bolts. You can't. Okay, and there it is. There's the banjo bolt that causes such a problem. So now we need to take our straight blade screwdriver and we need to undo the clamps on the 2 blue hoses and on the black one. Okay, now we're going to loosen 2 10mm bolts. Let me show you where they're at. There's one there. And there's one there on the right side. I'm going to take our tool and loosen them up. And there's the other one.
Alright, so now that we got all of our hoses and all of our bolts out, we need to just kind of grab a hold of this real tight and pull it straight up as you can. And that's how it looks.
So now we're going to go ahead and reconnect all our fuel lines. Like so. Now I'm going to take my flat blade screwdriver and tighten those down. So once you have your hoses on, now it's time to reinstall the banjo bolt. So once you have all your bolts and your hoses tightened down, now you need to reinstall your Y pipe, turn the engine on, and check for leaks. If you found this video to be helpful or entertaining, please hit the like and subscribe button. Until next time, bye!